Hello everyone, it's Dave from JD CycleWorks. Today we have a 2024 CVO Roadglide with the 121 HO non-VVT engine in it. It's completely stock engine, has a heavy breather that it came factory with, has a Chromeworks 2-to-2 system with a louvered baffle. This particular bike we showed you the results of when we went from the stock calibration to the Harley-Davidson Scream Eagle tuner, and now we put the Impact on there, the Impact ECM. And we're going to show you what happened. Come on over here. So check this out. This bike originally started off with the Scream Eagle tuner at 136 foot-pounds of torque and 124 horsepower. Now it's up to 144.4 foot-pounds of torque. The horsepower is at 128.7. And check this out here, at 2,000 RPMs. Went from about just over 100 foot-pounds of torque up to over 130. This is a tremendous gain over the Harley-Davidson tuning system. And this man's really going to feel the difference on this bike and how it reacts. So one more thing, just with the Impact ECM that we're working with. Alright, so I'm curious. So I wanted to see how it worked without the air filter on there. And I also tested it without the whole assembly on there. And these results are kind of surprising. Because on the older M8s, this assembly with the short filter, it robs a lot of power. But in this instance, if you come over here, you can see that our best torque is with the air filter element on at 144.48, and with the filter element off and the snorkel on the throttle body, we still got 143.2 torque, but our horsepower went up, not even a horsepower. Now with the whole assembly off the bike, which I know is wrong, it really dropped power. So I guess what we're learning here, in this engine, in its stock form, as it comes from Harley, the high output, leave the filter element alone. That thing's working good. They must have really spent some time engineering this with the airflows to make this stuff work. This is pretty cool. So there's a little more data on this bike here, and I will put the air filter element back on there and continue to get this bike ready to go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day, and we'll keep trying to make things happen over here for you to see.